Introduction to find latitude and longitude of a point in AutoCAD drawing. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to find the latitude and longitude of any point in an AutoCAD drawing. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure the coordinate system settings, how to find the latitude and longitude of a single point, how to generate latitude and longitude values for multiple points, how to export the latitude and longitude data to Excel. Let's get started. Step 1. Set the map datum, hemisphere, and zone. Before calculating latitude and longitude values, you must define the map projection settings for the drawing. Open the KML menu, select Set Datum. Specify the appropriate map datum, hemisphere, UTM zone. These settings ensure that the coordinate conversion is performed accurately. Step 2. Find latitude and longitude of a single point. To find the latitude and longitude of an individual point, type FLL in the command line. Press Enter. Click on any point in the drawing. The software will instantly display the corresponding latitude and longitude of the selected location. This is useful when you need the geographic coordinates of a specific point in the CAD drawing. Step 3. Find latitude and longitude of multiple points. If you need latitude and longitude values for several points at once, use the MLL command. Type MLL and press Enter. Select a polyline in the drawing. The software will automatically calculate and display the latitude and longitude at every vertex of the selected polyline. This provides a quick way to generate geographic coordinates for an entire alignment, boundary, or route. Step 4. Export latitude and longitude values to Excel. After generating the latitude and longitude information, you can export the data for reporting and further analysis. Open the List module. Run the EEN command. Select the required latitude and longitude points. Export the data. The coordinates will be saved in an en.csv file, which can be opened directly in Microsoft Excel. This allows you to easily share, analyze, or process the coordinate information outside AutoCAD. In the next tutorial, you will learn how to locate and plot a specific latitude and longitude point in the AutoCAD drawing. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 944-959-9709. Thank you for watching this video.